Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ninja star. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 square sheets of paper, ideally 6 inches by 6 inches or larger. The paper should be easy to fold but strong enough to maintain its form. A flat, clean surface is also essential for accurate creases. Let's begin by preparing our first sheet of paper. Now take 1 square of paper. Fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold to create a clear center crease. Next, fold both long edges inward to meet that center crease, forming a narrow rectangle. Fold this rectangle in half crosswise, then unfold it to mark the center point. Finally, fold the top right corner down to the center and the bottom left corner up. Great job! Now, repeat all those same folding steps with your second sheet of paper to create an identical module. Once both modules are ready, place one horizontally and the other vertically, forming a plus sign. Carefully slide the points of the horizontal module into the pockets of the vertical one. Make sure all 4 points are securely interlocked to complete your ninja star. With your ninja star assembled, gently press down on all the folds to ensure it's firm and holds its shape well. For a more durable star, you might try using a slightly thicker paper or even light cardstock next time. Practice makes perfect, so keep refining your folding technique for sharper creases. You can also personalize your star with colors or designs. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.